Shut up.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with the new video. So today's video I decided to recreate the Beetlejuice look. I got it from this girl off YouTube and I will put her YouTube name in the description box down below, also at the bottom of the screen, so you guys can go check her out. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. And if you would like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm just using my Wet n Wild paint palette, and I'll be using that green shade, and I'm going to use that to fill in my eyebrows. So now I will be using the matte book from the crayon case, and I will be using that green shade, and I'm just going to go in my eyebrows a little bit more just to set it. So now I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use the black, and I will be adding a little bit of black to my eyebrows to give my eyebrows a little bit more dimension. So I will be going back into that Wet n Wild palette using that yellow and taking that spoolie and dipping it in there just to give my eyebrows a little more texture. Then I will be using my Hard Candy Camouflage Concealer to cover up under my eyebrows to give it a sharp look. And I'll just be bringing that concealer on down to my lid to serve as my base. And I wanted to use a lighter concealer so my eyeshadow could show more. So now I'll be taking my Airspun powder, and it's in the shade Naturally Neutral, and I'm just using that to set my lid. I just added some moisturizer to my face. So for foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless in the shade 330, which is Toffee. And I just wanted to use a shade lighter than me. I didn't want to actually go white. I just wanted to make me look a little bit more pale. So I decided to go back into the Airspun powder and just apply it to my face so it can set it and also give me that washed out pale look in the face. So now I'm just adding the Hard Candy Concealer up under my eyes. And I'm going to also use that as a base for when I apply my eyeshadow up under my eyes. So I'll be using the matte book again. I'll be using that purple shade, and I'll just be starting off using that in my crease and blending it back and forth. I'm also going to bring that down to the bottom part of my eye and just go around in circles and blend it like how I will do the top. And I will be repeating that same step with that blue shade. So now I'm using the black pencil to apply to my lid, just making sure I'm putting enough on my lid. It's going to serve as a base when I put the eyeshadow on top, and then I'm going to blend that out real good. Then I will be using that darker purple in the matte book, and I will apply that on top where I applied that black at. I also added black to my waterline and kind of smudging it out, and I'm going to add some purple to the bottom lower part of my waterline. And I'm also going to make sure I blend my edges out real good. So now I'm going to use that green shade, and I'm just making marks how Beetlejuice has on his face, and just disregard that green stuff at the top of my forehead. The wig that I had on, it had a bang, so you weren't going to be able to see none of that. So now I'm just adding some liquid latex, and I'm just gonna apply that on the green that you can see on my face, just so when I add the moss, it'll give it a more realistic look of Beetlejuice. So now I will be adding that burgundy shade, and I'm just going to add a little bit to the middle part of my lips just to give it that chapped look. I'm also going to be using some brown matte liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to apply that to my teeth so my teeth can look dirty. And I'm also going to use a black one like that, and I'm going to do the same thing. And just a reminder, I didn't do everything that the girl did in the video. I kind of used just what I wanted to use and kind of put my own little twist to it.
Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice.
It's showtime.
Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on any products I use in this video, it will be in the description box down below. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.